we should avoid double speak. Because if we are safeguarding the freedoms as guaranteed in the Constitution, then we should also be able to follow the law. When somebody breaks the law, then the due process should be followed. It's not right because even as a church, there is the teaching of forgiveness. And if the government is above everybody, then the government acts as a parent to the children. What do you do when our children offend us? We sit with them, we rebuke them, we teach them, and we forgive them by giving them the correct direction. It's very sad that some parents had to go through the Christmas festivities without their loved ones. They didn't know where they were, but they had been abducted by the state. The state has a duty to protect every citizen. And therefore, I think we have been let down by the state. I also want to say that it's also important to urge the young people to use social media responsibly. When they are using caricatures and all those other things, let them restrain themselves from going to the extreme. The other thing is that so many things are not right, and so people are looking for where to vent their frustrations. You've seen that people who go to hospital, despite the assurances that the government has always given about SHA, SHIF, Taifa Care working, the truth is the contrary. We have also witnessed the problem of capitation to schools and universities. And so we have a number of young people whose education is at stake and their future is in jeopardy. Unless the government comes out clean and does the correct thing, then we are in for not a very good situation. And so as a church, we just want to urge the government to stop and listen. Let them just stop and listen. I know power corrupts, and we have seen some people in the government who are puffed up with power to the extent that they are not even thinking well. When somebody in his right senses stands and says that people are abducting themselves, another one says that Honorable Justin Muturi is lying, a whole former Attorney General and a Cabinet Secretary in this country who is echoing what has happened to his family, I think I want to urge our leaders to be serious.